Assalamu alaikum everyone, it's me Baba from Baba Tech Tips. Today we have Infinix Hot 30i x669d. This phone have problem with its IMEI because of baseband. We will fix the baseband already. Now we will learn how to fix the IMEI. So let's get start the video. First you will go and open your DFT. I have already opened my DFT, and then you will go to Unisoc model tab, because this phone have SPD CPU, and you will check this. If you have unchecked this box, you can check it, and also check these two boxes. And I have original IMEI this phone. You guys always use the original IMEI. Do not change the IMEI because it's illegal. Let's copy and paste the IMEI to the boxes and click on start diag and put the cable without any keys. Do not press any key like volume up and down. Do not press, just put it in the cable. And also we will open the device manager. We will wait for the diag mode. You can see, as you can see, our IMEI fixed already. Now our phone reboot automatically. When the reboot is done, our phone IMEI is working like before. Thanks to GSM who can give us these tools. If you want to buy these tools, you can contact me. My all contact details in description. Thanks for watching, guys.